Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a problem that's having us determine whether some solutions are actually some numbers, I should say, are solutions to an inequality. So this is a problem that I'm pulling from CPM course 2, and it is section 6.1.4. Okay, so CPM course 2, 6.1.4, and number 6-43. So our inequality here is 3x minus 2 is less than 2 minus 2x. So I want to know, when is 3x minus 2 less than 2 minus 2x, right? So the point is taking these, I'm asking, is 2 a solution, right? So is 2 a solution? That's what I want to know. So how do we determine if something is a solution or not? We take that number and we plug it into the inequality or equation, whatever we're dealing with, right? I want to know, can x equal 2? That's what I want to know. Can x equal 2? So can x equal 2? That's what I need to know. So let's put in a 2. So we're going to say 3 times 2 minus 2. Is that less than 2 minus 2 times 2? So instead of the x, I'm putting in the 2. I'm substituting the 2 into the x. And then do the math. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So is 4 less than, well, let's go over here. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So the question is 4 less than negative 2? That's what I need to know. And I look and I go, well, no, it's not. So we would then determine that 2 is not a solution. So there's my answer for that question. 2 is not a solution, and that's why. Because when we plug it in, it's not a true statement. Okay, so we do the same thing for 1/2. So 3 times 1/2 minus 2, is that less than 2 minus 2 times 1/2? Right? So we'll do the math here. 3 times 1/2, half of 3 is 1.5, or 1.5. So then 1.5 minus 2 is negative 1/2, or negative 0.5. Is that less than, in this case, 2 times 1/2 is 1. So it's 2 minus 1 is 1. So is negative 1/2 less than 1? Yes, it is. So 1/2 is a solution, right? So 1/2 is a solution. So then we try negative 3. Put negative 3 in. Is 3 times negative 3 minus 2? Is that less than 2 minus 2 times negative 3, right? So that's the work for this one. So I'm checking this, taking negative 3 and plugging it in to see. So I get 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 minus 2 is negative 11. So is that less than, let's look at this. It's 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So that's 2 minus, don't forget there's a minus in front. 2 minus negative 6 is actually addition, right? So it's 2 plus 6, which is 8. Is negative 11 less than 8? Yes, it is. Okay, so negative 3 is a solution as well. The last one, 2/3. So I'll put my work over here for that one. 3 times 2/3 minus 2. Is that less than 2 minus 2? 2 minus 2 times 2/3. Okay. 3 times 2/3 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So is 0 less than? Okay, so then 2 2 times 2/3 is 4/3, because you put the 2 over 1, you multiply straight across. So it's 4/3, right? And 4/3 is the same thing as 1 and 1/3. So 2 minus 1 and 1/3 is 2/3, right? If I subtract 2 minus, I'm taking 1 and 1/3 away from 2, I have 2/3. So it's 0. Is 0 less than 2/3 is the question? And sure enough, yes, it is. So my solutions are these, but not 2. Okay, there we go.